Hi, this is very important setting because this setting help you to avoid spam comments from spammers. For that, go to your channel and log into your YouTube account and click your channel icon and go to YouTube Studio here. After that, go to setting, the third one upload defaults and go to advanced setting here and see here comments. This is the setting. It's have four options: allow all comments, hold potentially inappropriate comments for review, hold all comments for review, disable comments. The second one is the default option, but the third one is perfect for all, hold all comments for review. In this option help you to respond all the each and every comments from your viewers. Also avoid the spammers like spam comments, sub for sub, etc. So it's very powerful, use that. Okay, I select the third one, then click the save. Without save the option is not working. Okay, now it was saved. Okay, I think this video is very helpful to you, so don't forget to comment below what are the topics you want to know, and also like the video if it's satisfied you, and don't forget to subscribe the channel to support me. Also share this video to beginner YouTubers to help them.